Ancient structures that modern engineering still can't fully explain. Across the world stand structures so massive, so precise, that even today's engineers pause before explaining them. Stone blocks weighing tens, sometimes hundreds, of tons. Cuts so exact that modern tools struggle to replicate them. Alignments that mirror the movements of stars and planets. These structures were built thousands of years ago, without steel, without engines, without modern mathematics as we know it. And yet, they remain standing. 1. The question that still remains. Human civilization has always built monuments. But some ancient structures go beyond symbolism. They challenge assumptions about technological limits, material handling, precision measurement, a logistical organization. Mainstream archaeology offers explanations, but not all questions are settled. This documentary explores what we know, what we assume, and what remains unclear. 2. The Great Pyramids of Giza. Constructed over 4,500 years ago, the Great Pyramid consists of approximately 2.3 million stone blocks. Some weigh over 80 tons. The pyramid is aligned to true north with an error margin of less than 0.05 degrees, a level of accuracy difficult even today without advanced instruments. Theories include ramp systems, lever mechanics, skilled labor, and long timelines. Yet no physical evidence confirms a single, complete construction method. How blocks were lifted, aligned, and set with such precision remains debated. 3. Machu Picchu and Incan precision. High in the Andes Mountains, Machu Picchu reveals another mystery. Its stone blocks are cut without mortar, shaped to interlock perfectly, resistant to earthquakes. The Inca lacked iron tools and wheeled transport. Yet the stones fit so tightly that a blade cannot pass between them. Archaeologists suggest stone-on-stone abrasion and immense labor. The exact techniques, however, were never recorded. 4. Baalbek, stones too heavy to move? In modern-day Lebanon lies Baalbek's Temple of Jupiter. Nearby rests the stone of the pregnant woman, estimated at over 1,000 tons. Modern cranes struggle with loads of this magnitude. Roman construction methods explain part of the site, but not all. Why were stones of such size quarried but never moved? And how were others transported with precision? Engineering models exist. Definitive proof does not. 5. Göbekli Tepe, a civilization before civilization. Discovered in Turkey, Göbekli Tepe predates Stonehenge by over 6,000 years. Built by hunter-gatherers, it features massive T-shaped pillars, intricate carvings, circular enclosures. This challenges the assumption that agriculture was required before monumental architecture. Why was it built? How was it organized? And why was it deliberately buried? These questions remain unanswered. 6. Precision beyond tools. Across these sites, common patterns emerge. Advanced geometry, astronomical alignment, long-term planning, deep material knowledge. This does not require lost civilizations or speculative technology, but it does suggest capabilities we still underestimate. Ancient builders may have possessed refined observational science, oral engineering traditions, sophisticated teamwork systems. Knowledge does not always leave written records. 7. What modern engineering can and can't explain. Today's engineers can replicate many feats, but often with heavy machinery, digital measurement, modern materials. When stripped of these advantages, many ancient techniques become difficult to reproduce. Not impossible, but uncertain. This gap fuels ongoing research, debate, and experimentation. 8. Between mystery and evidence. It is important to separate unanswered questions from unsupported speculation. No evidence supports advanced lost technologies or external intervention. But evidence does show that ancient societies were far more capable than once believed. The mystery lies not in magic, but in missing knowledge. These ancient structures do not defy science. They remind us of its limits. They stand as evidence that intelligence, creativity, and precision existed long before modern machines. What we do not yet understand should inspire humility, not dismissal. If this documentary expanded your perspective, consider liking the video and subscribing to Interesting MindHub, because the past still has lessons to teach the present.